I'm Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor, and today we're in Bennett, Colorado, taking a look at my latest listing. Welcome inside. So like I said, this is a new listing, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's check it out. Right when we walk in, we have a nice place to get settled. Coat closet right here. We come over this way. Right at the front of the house, we're going to find a first secondary bedroom. And then we come to a secondary bathroom here. They have done some updates since they moved into this house. As you can see, like a new mirror right here. Took out the builder mirror, put in something a little more stylish, nice tile floors in there. Right across from the other bedroom, we find the next secondary bedroom. Like I said, they've done lots of little updates in here, making it feel like a really stylish home and not just your basic builder home. I think you're really gonna like it. Right here we have another coat closet. Then heading down this way, this is where we're gonna find a 2-car garage. Now there is a 220 outlet in here, so if car charging is something you need, that power source is already in the garage. Over this way, you find the laundry room. And at the end of the hall, you find the final secondary bedroom. Now, when people purchase a home, one of the things they want to feel like they are getting good value. And I can absolutely tell you that this house is gonna deliver on that. They have a full solar system here that is fully owned, which is gonna transfer with the property. This house is already priced well below comparable homes in the area, plus it comes with the solar. So keep that in mind if you're looking for something or you're getting a deal right out of the gate. Okay, behind this door is where you're gonna find your utilities, furnaces in there, and a tankless water heater. And then it opens up into your main living space. Actually, there is a linen closet right here. I wanna point that out first. And then we come into the kitchen here. Nice kitchen island, quartz countertops in here, stainless steel appliances, gas range. All appliances in this home are, the kitchen appliances are included in the price of the home. You can see too, I just want to point out here, nice single undermount sink here. Black hardware that they've put in, corner pantry, nice deep pantry. Lots of room for all your Costco stuff. Again, like I said, appliances included, really nice refrigerator here. And then it opens up into your dining room space. As you can see, slider doors at the end of the dining room there lead out onto your covered patio. All right, and then walking over this way, we're coming into the great room space. Really nice great room space, plenty of room for the whole family to hang out, window looking out towards the rear of the home. And as you can see here, fireplace, contemporary fireplace adding to the warmth of the home. And they did shiplap the fireplace, and the island is matching shiplap, just some of those little designer features that make this home feel extra special. Last thing we're gonna check out here is the primary bedroom. All right, tuck back here we find the primary bedroom. Nice sized primary bedroom in here, ceiling fan, these little lights right here that they put above the bedside tables, those are coming along with the house, so a little stylish touch. And then coming back this way, we find the primary bathroom. Nice undermount sinks here. Again, they replaced those builder mirrors with some nice custom mirrors and black lighting. They did the same thing here with, adding the matte black. They put in a new shower door and fixtures. Right over here, you're going to find the private toilet closet, and then an awesome big walk-in closet. Again, my name's Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. We're looking at my latest listing in Bennett, Colorado. Again, like I said, this house comes full of value, coming in priced well below comparable homes in the neighborhood, new homes that are being built. This is coming in 20 grand plus lower than those homes are priced, yet this house has so many little extras that have been done. And like I said, the value of having solar panels fully paid off and transferred to the new owner, saving you money for years into the future with lower electric costs. They've done lots of little touches like the shiplapped and the mirrors, the nice lighting that they put in. They've done like these upgraded smart light switches throughout the home. So coming into this home, you're going to find something different and just a little bit better than you would in the surrounding homes. So to see this home in person, give me a call, set up a showing. If you have a realtor already, of course, give your realtor a call, and let's find out if this is your next home. Thanks for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.